So now we're going to be adjusting the skin tones. How are we going to do that? Well, let's do it together. Choose select color range. Yours will probably look something like this. So you're going to choose skin tones, and we're going to choose 10 and select, make sure detect faces is selected. Under fuzziness, you're going to input the word of the number 10 and then press OK. Now we have the marching ants, and the way we're going to adjust this is to to go to the curves. And as I selected the curves, you can see that I have a mass created based on the tonal range. And then we're going to go to the area that says RGB. We're just going to work on the red tones, and we're going to slightly pull it down just a little bit. Now for fun, I'm going to pull it down a lot. Then it's turning green. It looks gross. I can reset it by using next to the eyeball to the left, the reset button. I can go up. Oh, that looks bad. And if I pull it just right, it looks like she got a really bad sunburn. Like, well, look at that. She's super burnt, and her blue eyes are just really freaking scary. Well, no worries. I can reset that again and make my adjustment to make her look nice and just pull it down a little bit.